I got this pillow from the company to provide an honest review, and I'm liking this little travel pillow. It could be used when you're traveling and when you want to take a little quick nap. You can take it on the airplane with you, lay this down and you can rest. It's really nice and functional and practical. This is how it looks like. It also rolls up like this, and you can put it in this little bag that they provide. You can attach it to your suitcase, and there you have it. Isn't that nice and convenient? Really nice. It could be used for your neck. It could be used for your back, for lumbar support. It could be used when you're out in the park, want to take a little break and lay down, rest your head. It could be used on the airplane. It could be used for many, many things. Really nice and practical, and I'm really enjoying it. This little pillow seriously impressed me. It's compact and super easy to pack, but once you open it up, it fluffs right up and feels way more comfortable than you'd expect. The shredded memory foam gives it a nice medium firm support without feeling stiff, and it actually keeps its shape throughout the rest period that you're getting with this travel pillow. I also love the breathable cover. It doesn't get hot, even when I'm using it in the car or on a plane. It's a perfect size for backpacking, camping, traveling, or road trips. If you want a lightweight pillow that still feels like a real pillow, this one is a great choice.